Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best ultrasonic toothbrushes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is AquaSonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. Some of the key features of this AquaSonic Ultra Whitening Brush include that it can make up to 40,000 vibrations per second, (VPM), and it has 4 operation modes. It contains 8 replacement heads and a roaming instance. AquaSonic, the maker of this toothbrush, says the toothbrush can remove 10x more plaque on the gum tissue than normal manual toothbrushes and 3x more than your conventional rotary brush. Adding to this temptation would be the 8 replacement hair heads that include this. So, you will be able to effectively clean your teeth, but you will also be able to use them for a long time. You can choose from the 4 modes to receive a thorough wash and therefore to take care of the mouth. This device can also be put into use if you have sensitive teeth and also need to whiten the teeth. There is also a massage function that will ensure your teeth are clean and excited. It comes with a travel-friendly case and is ADA compliant to the needs of people with disabilities. Number 2. Our second best pick is Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. This brush from Sonicare is one of the more popular models in the ultrasonic toothbrush world, and for a good reason. It is a great option for anyone who has sensitive teeth or gums. First of all, it comes with a built-in pressure sensor. This sensor helps to make sure that you are not pressing too hard on your teeth and gums while you brush, which in turn can help alleviate any discomfort that you might feel while you are brushing. Not only will this lighter touch help your mouth to feel better, but it will also help your brush heads to last longer. The Sonicare will also give you a reminder when you need to switch your brush heads. The second reason that this brush is such a revelation for people with sensitive mouths is that it doesn't have a very high level of SPM. This lower speed level helps to make sure that the brush isn't going to overdo it and cause you any pain while you brush. On the other hand, this lighter power level might not clean your teeth as much as a more powerful model, though this trade-off might be necessary if you have a sensitive mouth. Something else to consider with this brush is that it can be very tricky to clean the handle if you don't wipe it off after each and every brushing. If you don't perform this routine cleaning, the handle will quickly become caked with toothpaste, which can be very tough to get off. Thankfully, even if you do forget to clean the handle, this brush is one of the easiest to switch between modes thanks to its sensitive controls. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dr. Jim Ellis Sonic Electric Toothbrush. This has got to be one of the smallest ultrasonic toothbrushes that you could possibly buy. This small size makes it really portable. It won't take up a ton of space in your bag. In fact, it is small enough that you could easily carry this brush in your pocket or a purse if you actually had to. Surprisingly, this is even the case if you choose to take along the charging station, which is also nice and small. This also makes it an awesome choice for your little ones. For more like this, see our top picks of the best electric toothbrushes for kids. Of course, the big issue with this compact size is that this brush isn't quite as durable as some larger sonic toothbrushes. You will want to make certain that you keep it packed away in some form of padding so that it doesn't break while it is tucked away. Since it doesn't come with a carrying case, it might be a good idea to get one, though that will add to the overall cost of your brush. The bristles are specially formulated to contour to your teeth so that they can clean difficult to reach areas of your mouth. Since these brushes can reach all of the areas in your mouth, you won't need to spend as much time brushing, which helps to make this a great brush for sensitive teeth. The small size of this brush also makes it a great option to use in your shower without taking up a ton of space. Thankfully, it is also completely waterproof, which will allow you to use it without having to worry about ruining it by getting it wet. You just need to be sure to take it out often so that you can charge it since it doesn't have a very long runtime. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PreSonic S430 High Power Rechargeable Electric Sonic Toothbrush. One of the biggest issues that keep people from getting an ultrasonic toothbrush is the cost. It can be downright expensive to get a good brush. That is, of course, unless you choose this toothbrush. It is quite budget-friendly, making it a great option for someone who is looking to save a bit of money, but still get a very clean mouth. Not only is the brush itself nice and cheap, but it also comes with 12 brush heads. As recommended by professionals, these brush heads will need to be changed every 3 months. Even though they don't last as long as some other brushes out there, this supply will still carry you through 3 years of brushing, which is an incredible value. If you do choose to purchase this brush, you should probably just keep it at home. It is not very sturdy and might break if you decide to travel with it. It also has a pretty short runtime, which makes this sonic toothbrush better for use at one location since you will need to charge it regularly. While it is charged up, however, this ultrasonic toothbrush is more than powerful enough to keep your mouth nice and clean. Like many other models, this brush also uses an automatic timer to let you know how long you have been brushing. Unlike other brushes, however, this timer does not shut off the brush. Instead, it lets you know when 30 seconds has gone by. This interval timer system makes it easier to brush your teeth for the amount of time that you want to, even if it is longer than 2 minutes, without having to worry about your brush turning off on you. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Mueller's Sonic Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. The most impressive feature that makes this model stand out when compared to other brushes is its SPM. While most ultrasonic toothbrushes usually operate at about 40,000 SPM, this model can go all the way up to 66,000 SPM. If you are in serious need of some serious cleaning power, then this is the brush you will want to try out. Of course, all of that power isn't going to be useful for everyone. Thankfully, this sonic brush is equipped with 5 different modes. This large variety of power levels will allow you to select the one that works for you, so even if you have sensitive gums or teeth, you should still be able to use this brush without too much of an issue. Something that you need to worry about with an ultrasonic brush this powerful, however, is it overheating. Thankfully, this model has a built-in overheating protection system that will keep it from burning its motor out should you choose to operate it at its maximum speed. It also has an overcharge protection system to keep it from overcharging the battery, which helps to extend the lifetime of the battery a lot. The only real downside to this brush is that it only comes with 2 different brush heads. While these will last you for half a year altogether, you will have to start buying brush heads to keep your sonic toothbrush running correctly, which can add up quite quickly. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.